Good morning, sir. I'm Zanzan M. John. This is my report, Article 64. Rules for the application of penalties which are contained here. 3 periods is the cases in which the penalties prescribed by law contain 3 periods, whether it be a single divisible penalty or composed of their different penalties, each one of which forms a period in accordance with the provision of Article 76 and 77. The court shall observe for the application of the penalty the following rules according to whether there are or not. Number 1. When there are neither aggravating nor mitigating circumstances, they shall impose the penalty prescribed by law. It is a medium period. Number 2. When only a mitigating circumstance are present in a commission of the act, they shall impose the penalty. It is minimum period. Number 3. When aggravating circumstance is present in a commission of the act, they shall impose the penalty. It is a maximum period. Number 4. When both mitigating and aggravating circumstances are present, the court shall reasonable offset choose of the one class against the other according to their relative weight. Number 5. When there are two or more mitigating circumstances and no aggravating circumstances are present, the court shall impose the penalty next lower to that prescribed law in the period that in my deem applicable according to the number. Number 6. Whatever may be the number and nature of the aggravating circumstance, the court shall not impose a greater penalty than that prescribed by law. It is a maximum period. Number 7. Within the limits of the each period, the court shall be determined the extent of the penalty according to the number and nature of the aggravating and mitigating circumstances and the greater and lesser extent of the evil proceed by the crime. Thank you, sir.